Welcome to TryDigital Solution, where innovation meets technology. We help businesses transform ideas into powerful digital products through modern design, intelligent development, and scalable technology solutions. From AI-powered mobile applications to custom web platforms, our team creates digital experiences that are fast, secure, and built for growth. Using industry-leading technologies such as React, Node.js, Next.js, and Angular, we develop high-performance applications tailored to your business needs. Our expertise extends beyond development. We focus on creating intuitive user interfaces, seamless user experiences, and visually engaging designs that deliver real value to customers. Whether it's SaaS platforms, business automation systems, enterprise solutions, or custom software development, we build products that improve efficiency and accelerate success. Every project is driven by innovation, quality, and a commitment to delivering exceptional results. That's why businesses trust TryDigital Solution to bring their ideas to life and create solutions that stand out in today's competitive digital landscape. If you are ready to build smarter, grow faster, and turn your vision into reality, we're here to help.